Oh boy, back once again on the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. Welcome to all the real ones out there. Today's video is focused on finding sellers, aka the plug, which is step 2 in our wholesale process. If you haven't watched our first video that deals with finding houses, aka the work, make sure you do so before watching this one. If you're a freshman to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. The second step in the wholesale process is to find sellers, aka the plug. More specifically, you want to find motivated sellers. What is a motivated seller? A motivated seller is a person who has a good chance of selling their home for cheap. This person is usually having financial problems. For example, in the movie Get Rich or Die Trying, 50 Cent was the plug to all the smokers. He was motivated to sell that work because he was tired of being poor. He even accepted change from the fiends as long as he could move his product. Well, now I bet you want to know how to find the motivated sellers, aka the motivated plug. The first way is by using the addresses you have compiled on your phone. If you follow the steps from our finding houses, aka the work video, take those addresses and run what is called a skip trace. A skip trace is the way you find where someone is. It's different websites out there that offer these services. The second way is to manually pull motivated sellers lists. These are just lists that can be found online through different websites. These lists include probates, aka somebody died and left me this house, pre-foreclosure, aka I ain't paying for my house, and tax delinquent, aka I ain't paying my taxes for my house. You want to stack these numbers and addresses on your phone so you can call and send letters. The third option is to browse forums and Facebook groups to find people selling houses. Once you find sellers, aka the plug, you want to contact them and start to get to know them so you can get ready for the next step, which is getting info about the property. So let's recap. The second step in the wholesale process is finding sellers, aka the plug. You want to find a motivated seller who is looking to sell their house for cheap. We want a motivated seller like Jody, our baby boy, when he was selling them dresses. Use your list of compiled addresses that you have compiled in your phone using step 1 of our wholesale guide and run a skip trace. Find motivated sellers lists on the internet. Browse forums and Facebook groups to find sellers. Did we miss any ways to find sellers, aka the plug? If so, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. On our next video, we will be breaking down the property data, aka what you got. So until next time, this is your hood